Привіт-привіт, мої дорогі друзі! Мене звати Інна. My name is Inna. Welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In this video lesson, I'm going to teach you how to form plural nouns. But before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave your comments about it. Почнімо! Let's get started! I thought I have already recorded a video lesson on this topic, but I forgot about it. And recently I just read a comment, Inna, please record a video lesson how to form plural nouns. So, okay, here I am. So guys, in the comments below you can write on which topics would you like me to record more video lessons. I appreciate your feedback. So, to explain this topic, I'm going to use my baby, my textbook Master Ukrainian Cases. You know that grammar is a very important topic for Ukrainian language, and you won't be able to make the correct sentence without it. And Ukrainian language is not that kind of language that you can just take some words and phrases and put them in any order and make a sentence without grammar. It doesn't work like that. No, guys, believe me, it's impossible. Okay, so you can see I have beautiful tables here, so I'm going to explain you this topic using my textbook. So, you know that in Ukrainian language we have masculine, feminine and neuter genders. I have already recorded a video lesson how to determine the gender of the noun. Please check it out, and also about the nominative case. So, when a masculine gender noun has a zero ending or it ends in a consonant, is the same. Так? So to make it plural, we have to add ending y. We add this hard vowel y. For example, чоловік, a man, чоловіки, men, син, a son, сини, sons. Okay. Далі. When a masculine gender noun ends in yot, we need to change yot into soft vowel yi to make it plural. For example, музей, museum, музеї, museums. Трамвай, a tramway, трамваї, tramways. Okay, please write it down. When a masculine gender noun ends in soft sign, we need to change it into e to make it plural. For example, дідусь, grandpa, дідусі, grandpas. Тюль, curtain, тюлі, curtains. But also, when we have, remember, exception, when we have a masculine gender noun and it ends in a hashing letter, and hashing letters are ж, ч, ц, ша, ща, then to make them plural, we need to add e, not y. E. For example, вчитель, вчителі, кущ, кущі. Pay attention. Yes, we need to add e, a soft, a hard vowel e to this word. Добре. But we have some exceptions. We have some more rules. When we have words such as dim, still, they have a closed syllable. What does it mean? It means that this word, it doesn't end in a vowel, and in its tone it has a vowel e, like dim, still, and when we make them plural, we change this e into o. Pay attention. So dim, it becomes доми in the plural. Houses. Still, столи. Pay attention. Please remember it. стіл, столи, дім, доми. Так. Okay, but if I say ніж, also ніж, ножі, I'm sorry, ніж, ножі, pay attention, we also do changing of the vowel in the stem, but we have ножі, we added e here because ніж, it ends in Ж, it's a hashing letter, and therefore after it we add ending e to make it plural. It's a little bit confusing, I know, but you can just write all these endings down and just to practice to form singular nouns into plural, and then practice makes perfect. Okay, let's continue. Neuter nouns in Ukrainian language. What about them? So when we have a neuter noun that ends in o, to make it plural, we need to change o into a. Вікно, a window, вікна, windows. Село, village, села, villages. Okay. Neuter gender nouns that end in e, we change them into я. Море, моря. Сонце, сонця. But, again, some neuter gender nouns, they also have this hashing letters at the end of the word, like же, ша, ща, це і ча. Так? Then we add a at the end. So прізвище, we say прізвища. Surnames, surnames. Pay attention. And when we have a neuter gender words that end in ya, and you remember, they are preceded by double consonant, so we don't do any changes. Thank God, easy, yeah? Життя, life, життя, lives. Буття, like presence, буття, also presence, it's singular, yeah, in English. Волосся, hair, волосся, hair. Okay, feminine gender nouns. When we have a feminine gender noun that end in a, we change a into e to make it plural. Мама, мами. Mother, mothers. Сестра, сестри. Sisters, sisters. Книга, a book, книги, books, etc. When a feminine gender noun ends in ya, we change ya into e. So земля, землі. Earth, earth. And when a feminine gender noun ends in ya, we change it into yi. Ya into yi. Like мрія, a dream, мрії, dreams. Pay attention. And the same as in the masculine gender noun, when a word ends in a soft sign and it belongs to the feminine gender, we change soft sign into e to make it plural. So you can see сіль, солі, salt, salt. And pay attention, we do here also the changing of the vowel in this tone, the same like дім, доми, стіл, столи, сіль, солі, біль, pain, болі, pains. Okay. And when we have feminine gender nouns that have zero ending, we have such words, they are exceptions, we add ending e. For example, зустріч, a meeting. Pay attention, this word belongs to feminine gender. So зустрічі, meetings. Або подорож, travel. Подорожі, travels. It's also feminine gender noun. These two words, they are exceptions. They belong to feminine gender, not to masculine gender. And we have some more words that belong to this category. Okay, and some exceptions, more exceptions. So дівчина, a girl, and girls is дівчата. We have irregular form. Дівчина, дівчата. Дитина, child, and діти, children. The same like in English, child, children. You don't say child, childs. You say child, children. You have different forms. The same in Ukrainian. Or for example, людина, a person or human being is люди, people. Okay. Also in Ukrainian language we have some nouns. Some nouns have no plural form, including uncountable nouns. So they have only singular form. And these words are кафе, радіо, кава, кіно, молоко, пиво, фото, сало, відео, аудіо і так далі, etc. And also the same as in English, some nouns are used only in the plural forms, like окуляри, штани, джинси, ножиці і так далі, and so on. So yeah, guys, I highly recommend you to check out my textbook, Master Ukrainian Cases, my baby, and there you will find lots of useful exercises that you can do and remember and master this topic and know how to make plural forms with all these exceptions. I highly recommend you this textbook, and all my students, they highly recommended it too. If you want to learn Ukrainian language with a professional native teacher, you're welcome to check out the website of my online school, Speak Ukrainian, speaky.com. We have a team of professional teachers and they will help you. The trial lesson costs $1 and lasts 30 minutes. And you can determine your goals, you can meet your teacher, you can discuss your study plan, and then you will have an amazing, difficult journey, but at the end you will speak and enjoy beautiful Ukrainian language. Please check out my Instagram account, Speak Ukrainian Language, for more video lessons. Thank you for supporting people from Kherson with the help of my charity store, Buy T-shirt, Save Ukrainian Life. Thank you so much for supporting my YouTube channel. Thank you for sending some donations. My Patreon supporters, love you so much. Дуже дякую. Слава Україні!